Hello people, welcome to my channel Physio Guide by Divya. So today I'm going to teach about torticollis, detailed description of torticollis, what is the clinical features, causes and radiography management. So detailed about torticollis. So let's get into our video. So what is torticollis? I'm going to give torticollis detailed notes at the last end of the video. So in short, torticollis is in Latin word tortis means twisted neck, collis means neck. In short, we can say as a twisted neck. It is defined as a rotational deformity, means they cannot rotate the head properly, so we can see tilting and turning to one side, head and neck, which is tilting and turning to one side, we can see. So this is, in short, we can write as a twisted neck and rotated and tilted to one side deformity. Now, what are the clinical features? Clinical features is also known as signs and symptoms. Means what we see in the patients, like symptoms, what they say and what the doctor see in the patients. So what are the clinical features? Clinical features what we see is the patient's head is tilted to one side, that is the main symptom, and the chin is rotated to other side, means the head is like this, they will turn like this, one side head is turned to one side, affected side, and chin to the other side. So next point, we can see the sternocleidomastoid muscle is prominently seen outside, so that doctor can identify the symptom very clearly. If this is not treated at the early stage, the patient may develop facial asymmetries and macular disturbances in the eye also. In face disturbance and in eye also disturbance can be seen. So this can be treated earlier stage only, and it is not a big problem. It's a rare condition. We can see this in X-ray of neck, plain X-ray of neck. If we'll take plain X-ray of neck, we can rule out the intrinsic cause. What is the main cause that lead to neck pain? We can see in X-ray and we can clearly understand. So what are the causes? Causes means that the doctors will understand what is the problem, main problem, why this torticollis will come in the patients. So it is first one, congenital means after birth the deformities we see in the patients, those conditions are called as congenital problem. And cervical spine, if in cervical spine there will be any infective TB, any TB causes also, there will be turning and tilting in cervical. Any traumatic pain also, there will be tilting of face, turning to one side, and any fractures, dislocation or fractures also. Now cervical spine we solved. Now in sternocleidomastoid muscle, myositis and fibromyositis problem in this muscle, and when exposure to cold and spasmodic pain in this muscle. These are the causes. And ocular disturbances in eye, when child turns her head to one side to compensate for defective vision, means if there is any defective vision, they cannot see the child turn to one side, and that will be a habit. So this also is a point in torticollis. So what is the management what we give? There are three types of management. Conservative means, firstly, conservative treatment is the best by taking drugs. drugs, tablets, first stage tablets, and muscle related problems. So muscle relaxant drugs, first we have to first doctor prescribe this, orthopedic doctor will prescribe. After that, the physiotherapy management, what we give, we first give ultrasound to relax muscle, heat therapy, massage therapy. For acute pain, we will suggest to wear a collar, neck collar. Later stage, will suggest them strengthening exercises for the flexibility of the neck. If this conservative physiotherapy management also will not cure patients, then we'll go for a surgical treatments, means surgery failure of the conservative will go for surgery. Release of will release this sternocleidomastoid muscle will be released by the surgeons. Why? Because if the patient will bear so much pain, release of this muscle is the best. So intradural section means in between the muscles, intradural space, the it is of intradural section of spinal accessory muscles and three cervical roots are to be removed. So this is the surgical treatment. So this is the main of torticollis. So this is the notes. So clearly from the textbook I have clearly wrote and it will be useful for all of you. So once take a screenshot. So thank you for watching my video. This is about torticollis, clinical features, causes, radiography, management of 3 tabs. So thank you for watching my video.